Okay.
Sure.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, bye, bye. Thank you. So nice. So, friends, we are going back to Mumbai. So welcome to my channel Ripples on Road. We are going back to Mumbai, and Amal is with us. Hi Amal.
Hi.
We go back to Mumbai. Amal coming to Mumbai. No. Okay, so I'll show you the route now. So this is Avoli city, and we are going to Muvatupura. Then like that we'll go to airport first and then to railway station. It's a beautiful place here. This is a local bus. This is a local bus which is going there. And I went there and bought some things. Here I went and bought some things from here in the morning. Can't say morning, afternoon. And now we are leaving. So friends, we are on our way to the railway station. But before that, what we are doing is we are dropping my daughter to the airport. So this is the airport because she has to work tomorrow. So she cannot come by train. Train takes about 24 hours average. And this is the Kochi International Airport. This is the only airport in the world which has a solar power. It is powered by solar power. So it's the only airport in the world. It's a private airport. First private airport in India. And this is called the Cochin International Airport. And so we drop my daughter here and then we proceed to the railway station. It's a very beautiful airport. It has a Kerala architecture. So this is the departure here. So it's a very beautiful small airport, but very neat and clean. Not much crowded. It's not much crowded because it's a small airport. So here is the departure, and we drop our daughter here, and we proceed. Friends, we stop for a cup of tea now on way to a railway station, and there's a beautiful shop plus snack shop. Maybe it's Angadi Cafe. It's an Angadi Cafe. So a nice shop here, and this is the highway. Go straight this side, you go to Thrissur. If you go this way, you go to Ernakulam. And we are in Alva. There's a beautiful shop here, home store. So we are in Alva, and we are going to Alva railway station, and we thought why not we have a cup of tea here. So this nice, and my driver is here. So we have come in this car. So this is our car now. So with this car we are traveling to the railway station. Nice place, and there are a lot of perfumes here. So friends, now we are on our way to the railway station. This is the highway which I said, which goes to Ernakulam. And from here we take a right, and the station is very close by. Now it's getting 8:30. So still we are on the highway. It's not very crowded. So now this is the lane which goes to the railway station. Still the shops are open now. We reached station now.
After a term of 1 to 5 years for lifetime.
Thank you. So we dropped us by this car. Alva station, and I was not knowing there is a board here where they give the coach position. I went and inquired at that counter, but he was kind enough. Position. So my train is this. So my is B2. So B2 is 16 from the locomotive. So I had to go back. I had to go backside 16. So we go to the platform number 3. This is platform number 1. The other one is platform number 2. I have to go on the other side, platform number 3. this is Alwa station, and friends, I and my friend, we had come here about in the month of January, and we had food here. I'll show you a restaurant. I still remember the restaurant is here. It was the restaurant where we had our lunch here. We were sitting here on this table, and they were so nice that they gave some extra sambar and all. Now there is a lift here on the other side. So people, they don't know, they climb up. So there's a staircase here, but there's a lift on the other side. And the train is now it's 9:10. So the train should be here by 9:30. So we have to go back. So there is a lift here. So this is the lift here. Here is the lift. This is the lift here. And I open it. So nice lift, very clean. And now we walk to the station. Use the staircase. Now it started raining heavy. You can hear the sound of the rain smashing the asbestos, or what do you call, the tin sheet up. So heavy rain. We have to go back now. 16. Friends, so we boarded the train from Alwa station. The door is open, and I'm waiting for Thrissur. That's my native place. And see the time. The time is 11:05. The train is 1.5 hours late. By that time, let me show you the compartments. There's another coach. This is an Indian style. It's much cleaner than what I felt. That's for flush. So as usual, but one thing is in this train, if you see, the soap is much thicker. Usually they don't have, and the hose of the water also is good, and it looks very clean. And let me see the other one here also. That's Western, and as usual the flush and all, emergency flush button, and also they kept a tissue here. And the soap dispenser, the water is also having a good force, something to hang here, so you can lock it here. You have to lock it here. So it's very clean. Friends, one more thing I wanted to show. Everything is written in Braille. See, everything for the blind. That's good. And they have mentioned about it. It's a pressurized flushing, so as soon as I press here, it doesn't go on the track. My dear friends, many people, they ask me, oh, it goes on the track. I said, not nowadays. Olden days, yes. Now it's just flush, and yes. And now we wait for my station. That's Thrissur. Not speak loudly inside. All are sleeping. It's 11:05 now. But I am awake because Thrissur is coming. I am awake because the Thrissur station, my native place, that's my hometown. It's just, I think it's within 5-10 minutes it will arrive. The coach will give the serial number. So this is the type coach number. So that's the serial number. It was manufactured in Kapurthala. Kapurthala is in Punjab, India. See the date of manufacture, May 2025. So friends, we are again entering Thrissur station, but this is when I'm leaving Kerala. So we are entering once again Thrissur station. Beautiful garden here. Friends, you can't see, but there's a beautiful garden. And this is Thrissur, my native place, my hometown. So again we are entering here. The train is 1.5 hours late. And here comes my hometown, Thrissur. See, people are selling biryani and parota. See the crowd. And this guy is from Swiggy, delivering food. So you can, download the app and get the food delivered from a restaurant. Everyone is sleeping. This is my coach. I am in 49 and 52. You see there is an escalator here. for people to climb up. So this is my train. It is written in Malayalam from Nagarkoil to Gandhidham. Gandhidham is where my father worked. You remember, guys, I had told that my father worked in Gujarat, Bhuj, where I was born. You might have seen in my last video, I was born in Bhuj, and Gandhidham is where my father worked. People are running to catch the train, and there is a signal been given. I don't know how they will catch the train. They are just running. And there's a green signal given. So the Swiggy guys have delivered the food. Yeah. So these guys have delivered the food and they are going back. So there's another train over there, but it won't be moving. I don't think it is moving. So this is Thrissur, and I wanted Sambaram. You know what is Sambaram? It's buttermilk. And there was a stall here, Milma. I don't know whether it's there. So 23:29, 1.5 hours, more than 1 hour 40 minutes late. The train is 1 hour 40 minutes late. So friends, we are leaving Thrissur. So good night everyone. See you tomorrow in the morning. Bye bye, good night. We are leaving Thrissur.